What's up, guys? It's your boy King Kilo. Today I got a special video for you guys. Today is going to be the first day that I'm shooting on my new camera, the Sony Zv-e10. So I got a special video for you guys. Just going to be talking about the camera, why I sold my old camera, and moving forward, hopefully I anticipate that my videos will get much better. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and comment down below on more things that you guys want to see. But without further ado, let's get off into the video. So the reason I sold my Zv-e10 was because I wanted to increase my video quality and give you guys more of a cinematic or true visual when I make my videos or when I edit them. And I think that, you know, by upgrading to this camera right here, which I read really good reviews on, it's going to help me with that process. So I decided to just invest the money and go ahead and get it. Didn't spend a lot of money on it, but I ended up buying an open box from Best Buy yesterday. Excellent condition, came with all the pieces, came with the manual, came with the battery, and I'll explain why I said that later. But yeah, man, so I was really excited to get this camera and test it out and, you know, shoot a couple videos on there and see what my new visual would look like with this camera. But it was a little bit of a process yesterday because I went to the Best Buy closest to where I stayed, and they had the camera, but it didn't have a battery in it. So like they wouldn't sell it to me for a lower price, and then I would have to pay for the battery or an additional battery, which would have cost way more money than if I would have just bought a excellent condition one. So I ended up having to drive 30 minutes out of my way to go find this particular camera, which I'm shooting on right now, to get it for a $735, which was much cheaper than buying it for $630 or $693. Plus the battery was about like $65, $69. So I would have been paying like almost what it costs for a brand new camera, for a used camera without a battery, to buy another battery, which didn't make sense in my opinion. So I ended up doing that, copping this camera, and I think you guys are going to be pleased with the quality of it. It's super nice. This is the box and specs and everything. Really nice camera. I wish I can I'm actually about to just record a quick little video on my phone, which I have the 15 Pro, and then you guys can kind of see what I'm looking at from my end, you know. But this camera is super nice. Just zoom in on the lens here. Got a nice lens. I literally bought this Zv-e tripod as well the other day for $60, which I overpaid for it, but it is what it is. But yeah, just zooming in on that camera, man, it's beautiful, literally beautiful. And it came with this lens. You could have bought it with the body or without the body, but it would have been maybe $100 cheaper than buying it with the lens. So I was like, fuck it, let me just get it. So I ended up doing that, and I'm pleased with it because I can see a lot more things on here now. Even I'm going to do a review on these shoes later, but even these look a lot cleaner on the camera as well. And these are dang near brand new. I bought these V&DS on eBay. As you can see, a little eBay tag right there. Bought these V&DS for $90. I be finding the steals, y'all. Y'all gotta tap in with me.
Just to go off track a little bit, I just wanted to show you guys how this cinematic quality looked on the new Zv-e10. It's great quality, as you can see here. See the depth of the video and the clarity of the product that I'm showing. So hopefully I'll be able to do more stuff like this in the future and give you guys the best video quality that my camera has to offer.
Yeah, man, I just want to get on here real quick to let you guys know that I upgraded my camera. Gonna be doing more videos, gonna be doing more better quality videos so I can get more engagement and get my watch time up on YouTube. I've been steadily climbing on the platform, and within 60 days I have about 770 subscribers, which I'm really thankful for. So I'm going to continue to put out content, continue to make good videos, continue to give you guys what you want, and hopefully in the future continue to grow and build a following so I could continue on YouTube. So thank you for everyone that stuck with me so far. This is going to be a short video anyways, nothing super long, but just want to say thank you, and go ahead and do your boy a favor. Like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and follow me for more. So that's it for today's video. That's all I got for you guys. King Kilo is out. So peace.